I mean, I could hear God clear. My dreams were just more vivid. My dreams were in color. I had more lucid dreams. God was right next to me. The first 3 days when I went on this 20-day fast, it was dry. I didn't take any food, any water. Rid your body of the toxins. Rid your body of the flesh. Rid your body of the undigested particles that we've been taking in for the past 2, 3, 4 weeks. So I got a question from one of my followers. They were looking at my video when I was talking about my 20-day fast, and she asked me, Jazz, how were you able to keep your energy, still working out, still training, still doing your massage therapy, still creating content? How did you have the energy? And that's a great question. So, number one thing, I did the fast for spiritual purposes, right? I didn't do it for physical purposes. So whole time while I'm doing this fast, I'm giving it to the Most High. Anytime I felt lethargic, I would give it to the Most High. God, step in. I need you right now, God. I'm doing this for you. I need clarity, God. I'm showing you. I'm stripping everything of me right now. I'm surrendering to you, God. Use me. You know, I talked about that fast as if it was a spiritual reset for me. My body went through it as well. However, I let the spirit lead me. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know this about me, I'm a very spiritual person. For the new people on my page, my name is Jazz Avanti. I'm a licensed massage therapist, holistic wellness coach, and I teach women not only how to lose weight, I teach women how to transform their health through intermittent fasting so they can love themselves all over again. Going through this fast, it showed me a lot about how strong I am, how connected I am with the Most High, with nature. And like I said, it was a whole reboot. It was a recalibration period for me, you know? As long as I'm having me some fresh coconut water, I'm talking fresh coconut water. I'm not talking about the cocoa, Vita. I'm not talking about none of that. Organic, fresh coconut water. If you're not getting it straight out the coconut, you can get the young, fresh coconut as well when it's already shaved, or you can get the brand Harmless Harvest. That is the only coconut water you are going to see me consuming. All right? So as long as I had those by my side, as long as I had some freshly squeezed cold pressed juices, that's what kept me going. That's what energized me. So, but going back to the spiritual elements of this fast, I mean, I could hear God clear. My dreams were just more vivid. My dreams were in color. I had more lucid dreams. I just felt like God was right next to me. And so, let this plane go by. The first 3 days when I went on this 20-day fast, it was dry. I didn't take any food, any water. That right there was the most impactful things I've done for myself. Bar none. Bar none. You know, it was a lot of transition that I was going through in my life, and I just needed the next step. And I showed myself before God. I gave it all to God, you know, and hindsight, looking back during those times, I really created a deeper connection with the Most High, right? So if you're in a space like that in your life and you just don't know where else to go, rid your body of the toxins. Rid your body of the flesh. Rid your body of the undigested particles that we've been taking in for the past 2, 3, 4 weeks. Go on a fast, show the Most High that you are ready and you're willing to receive. Because you know what they say, the student is ready when they seek out the teacher, not the other way around. See, the teacher not gonna seek out the student. When that student is ready, oh, they gonna show themselves ready. They're going to present themselves to the instructor, to the teacher. It was beyond physical for me. It was metaphysical for me. It was psychological. It was spiritual. Going through a lot of spiritual warfare, man. That's a real thing, right? So take the time. If you don't know where to start, my ebook, Fast and Flourish, it teaches you every single thing you need to know about intermittent fasting, how you can work yourself into more prolonged fast for busy professionals, at-home workers, single moms, or just anybody with any lifestyle. It shows you exactly how to implement it with actionable steps so you can start shedding weight, boosting your energy, and alleviating stress, right? Tap the link below. Also, my latest recipe book, tap in. I got some great recipes in there for you, whether you're vegan, vegetarian, omnivore, or pescatarian. Tap into that. Also, my community, the Soulful Healers, right? We talk about all things health and wellness, mentally, physically, spiritually. And yeah, just tap into everything that we got going on, man, because my purpose is to help you ascend, right? While I'm on my journey as well. I don't have it all figured out. Disclaimer. I'm not saying that I have life figured out and that I got all the answers. One thing I can tell you is I've been on my journey and I bumped my head across the way, learned my lessons, and every single day I am striving to pass those lessons along and inspire the next person. Okay? So hopefully that was some inspiration for you. Hopefully I gave you some clarity on that, on my 20-day fast, results and everything that I've gotten from it. Make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe. Love.